welcome back to our channel. So today I am working on fall decor. I'm getting ready to go to Target and also Sam's. I need to do some shopping at both places. I'll be looking for some fall decor at Target. I'll take you along and show you what they have. I brought down the fall stuff that we have already. I ordered some pillow covers from Amazon. I decided not to use like regular pillows anymore, just because they take up so much space in storing. So what I have now are just pillow covers. I have these 18-inch pillows and then these 20-inch pillows, and these are inserts, and these are actually just old pillows that I've stuffed in here, but these are just pillow covers. So I'll take those off and put my Christmas or fall or whatever pillow covers over these just to kind of save some space. So I've got those out here, and I brought my wreath down and this other box of stuff that we have, and then those are my outdoor pillows, like my porch pillows. And then we also had our little Valentine garland that we had on the mantle thrown in here just because there was plenty of room in this box, and we really don't decorate for Valentine's. That's like literally all we have. So anyway, we've got all of this out and ready to go, and I'm going to see what they have at Target that we might want to add to our decor this year. All right, Sophie and I finished school. We just did math today, and now we are headed to the store. All right, Sophie? We are, I think we are gonna, we might even go to Hobby Lobby. We might go and check Hobby Lobby for fall stuff. I'm thinking I want to get just a couple of new things. I don't want to spend a lot of money on fall decor because honestly, I know like everyone's so excited about fall and all that, but that's not really me. I'm a lot more excited about Christmas, and I don't really leave fall decorations up that long. Like for me, it's all about Christmas, and I'm gonna decorate sometime in September usually so that I can leave them up through Halloween, and then usually in very early November I decorate for Christmas, and I want to leave that up, you know, through New Year's. So that's what's exciting for me. But I did want to add a couple of new things because we don't have a ton of fall decor. So we're gonna look at Hobby Lobby and Target because I need to go to Target anyway, and I think we are also gonna go pick up a few things at Sam's. So wherever we go, I'll do a little bit of filming if I can in the store, and then I'll give you a haul when we get back. So our Target dollar spot did have a few things related to fall. I kind of call our Target a tourist Target, so we have different things than other Targets have. Usually we don't have quite as much decor, but there was a good bit out. I was really surprised because a lot of times we get things much later as well, but they did have a lot of pillows. They had a lot of decor. I liked a lot of the hearth and hand stuff in particular. Hobby Lobby, of course, they had 50% off all the fall decor. They had tons of florals, tons of pumpkins, but a lot of the decor seemed very familiar from the last probably like 3 to 4 years. I did notice they had a bigger selection of pumpkins than normal, if that's possible, and I did notice that they did have a few newer pumpkins, or at least pumpkins that I didn't remember from before. But other than that, it seemed like a lot of the same decor that I had seen in previous years.
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
Alright, we are back from shopping, so I want to go ahead and give y'all a little haul. We did not make it to Sam's, but we did go to Target as well as Hobby Lobby. So I'll start with the stuff first that I got at Target, and whatever I can link, I will link in the description box. But some of the stuff I got on clearance. So this is a wreath for my kitchen that I got. I was looking for something like this last year and never could find it, but I got this at Target, and it was $9.99. So I'm gonna put this in the kitchen above my sink where I have another wreath there right now, and I usually just kind of change that out seasonally. I also got a welcome mat. This was also from Target. This, let's see, I don't see the normal price on this, but this was actually on clearance and it was just under $4. It was like $3.90 something. This was one of their new collection of ceramic pumpkins. They were all kind of muted tones. So this really light one, they had one that was darker, and the one was sort of like a muted orange. And this was the Threshold brand at Target. It was $10. And then the last thing that I got at Target was this vase, and this was Hearth and Hand. It was $12.99, and they had a smaller version of this and also a larger version. So I kind of got the middle one, but I was hoping that this would work on my mantle, and I really like the amber color of it. And I wanted to change out what I have up there year round. So the main thing that I was going into Target looking for was some stuff for the mantle, and I also needed a rug and a wreath, and I found all of that there. And then at Hobby Lobby, I was mostly looking for garland, and I did find one. The stuff at Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure if I can link it or not. Sometimes I can't. But this was at Hobby Lobby. Their stuff was 50% off. So this is the garland that I'm going to use. I have another one. I'm going to kind of layer them and put this on my mantle, I think. But this was marked at $12.99 and it was 50% off. And then I also got these florals. I got this for the amber vase that I got. And these were also 50% off. So they would have been $10.99 together. So each one, half of that. And I got this little towel for the kitchen. It says, leaves are falling, autumn is calling. And I don't think I have one of these for the kitchen. This was also 50% off, and it was marked $6.99 as the regular price. And then the last thing I got at Hobby Lobby this year were these rattan pumpkins. I do have a larger rattan pumpkin, but I thought these were really cute in 3 different colors. They were marked as $17.99, but they were 50% off. So, and this was the last thing that I got. So this is all of the new decor that I got for this year, along with what you already saw, kind of like a little brief glimpse of earlier when I was pulling down the stuff from upstairs.
It's a hard thing.
Thanks for being here today, friend. We'll see you next time. Bye.
That your soul will stay hollow.